Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to monetize a Facebook page. Okay, my Facebook page I have just recently created. I've not really updated it. I just want to show you um, how to monetize your Facebook page. First of all, you must have like 10,000 followers. I'm way behind. Just started it. And then once you hit that, you can actually go to here. This is using a PC laptop version to see this Facebook account. Okay, this is my Facebook page. You can go to the professional dashboard here. Okay, professional dashboard. That's this monetization. Okay, monetization. Once you are eligible, you will see it over here that you are eligible. So you must meet all these requirements. Yeah, okay, like subscriptions, things like that. Yeah, in order to this one stars and gifts is actually later part. Okay, stars and gifts when you are monetizing, you can get your fans to offer you stars and gifts. And then for subscription wise, they believe is something like what YouTube is doing. They have a subscription basis where your viewers can actually support your work with monthly payment subscription. Then this is the content monetization for your content, and you can do storefront as well of a videographers, custom video storefront. Okay, yeah, just so that you know how to come here to do monetization for your Facebook page. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and do like my go to my Facebook page as well and become my follower as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.